Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Sonic and Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. You're going to learn how to do this fast and easy. Let's get started. Okay, let's get into this drawing of Pomni and Sonic. Pomni from Amazing Digital Circus and Sonic as one character, okay? Let's get started. 5 minutes in, you'll know how to do it, okay? Let's get started. So I'm going to curve over here. Right? Slight curve. It's going to give it that kind of cool effect. Basically, it's for the hat. Pomni's hat. Going to go up over here, give it a little bit of thickness. I always talk about that, right? Give it depth right here. Give it thickness. Cool. So right now, that's the band on Pomni's head. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to start around here and go up, down. That's going to be for the hat. Okay? So we got that so far, right? Going to go over here, pull up, and then we're going to merge it right there at that tip of the hat. Of the hat. 1 second. All right. And we're going to push forward now, and we're going to 1 second, I'm going to grab another marker here, because this one's kind of drying out, honestly. Woo. Okay, let's go over here on this side, and we're going to pull up over here, down. And then also go to the end of that tip. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go over here, circle, and over here, circle. Let's go into the face now, and we're going to pull downward, curve just a little bit for the brow, pull up. Then we're going to go over here, line down, out over here, down, in for the nose. It's going to be Sonic's nose right there. We're going to fill that in, okay, that shape. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. It's very important that you do that because I want to, be able to feel and hear you guys, okay? Up over here, down. Curve over here on this side for the mouth. It's going to be for that Sonic-esque mouth. Down over here for the bottom of the Sonic mouth. Line over here. He's kind of amused, okay? Let's go over here and draw the eye, like a U shape, dot. See the whole thing on this side, dot. Line down over here. Curve over here. And we're going to give him the shoulder pad that Pomni has, okay? So, and we're going to curve over here and, kind of make it that shape, right? So far, the shape's pretty easy to follow. Line over here. It's like a macaroni shape. Curve over here. And pull around. Out, down for the hand. We're just going to throw some fingers here. And then the back of the palm of the hand there. Line over here. Curve for another ball right the hip area. Pomni has these kind of, I don't know what it is, like the circus thing going on, right? So, curve over here. Down over here, pull in. Curve right here. So you have like a ball on the shoulder, a ball right here at the hips. Close this off. Down over here for the leg. And down over here for the other leg. Down, down. Triangle for the feet, and then we got the cuff right here, downward, triangle right there. Line out, line over here, and over there we got the finger on this side. other side, the opposing thumb right there. Like, they call it the opposing thumb, right? Because these four go one way, and you have the opposing thumb on this side, right? So on that side right there, curve, curve, right on. And now let's go into something big. We're gonna go line it back for the spikes on Sonic's back there. Okay, for the Sonic spikes. All right. Pull this line all the way down. You can actually pull another line over here to kind of maybe make it like, you know, the eyes are smaller, right? So they're not gigantic. So now we're going to put in the pattern, right, of the outfit. So line right here, line right here. And you want to do this pattern a little bit thinner if possible, or the same. So line right here, line right here. You want to make it look like a pattern so it's not that distracting, like I said. Try to be as thin as you can. If not, you can just do it the same, right? These are about the same level, I think, as the outer lines. Let's go over here, up, over here, up, over here on this side, down here, over here, down. And there you go. That is a mixture of Pomni and Sonic. What would you name this character? I really want to know that. What would you name this character? Really? Like, please, I'm going to pin the comment to anybody, basically the name that I like, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget, share the video. And one more thing is, I want you to stick around here. We're going to do another video together, okay? Stay right there. We're going to do another video right now together, okay? Well, let's get started right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.